bad boy pushing. Look at that, boy. He gone out of there. Hey, man, it's your boy Bzoe with Wheels. Y'all know who to hit. If y'all need any large equipment painted, yes, sir. If y'all new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy Bzoe with Wheels. Man, we got some major work to do today. I got the forklift loaded, as y'all can see. We got the bed to a dump truck. We're gonna get ready to spray. I already scotch brighted. Already sanded it down. I'm gonna be painting about an inch. Well, I'm an inch. We're gonna be painting about 2 feet down on the inside. But we're gonna blow this bad boy off, and then we're gonna load her up right in the booth. Yes, sir. We're gonna hit it with the single stage, all black. Give it that fresh new look. They had to put some parts on here, and then I believe it's set for a while. The customer's finally picking it up. So we're gonna do our thing. We're gonna work our magic, man. Y'all stay tuned. Let me go ahead and jump on this bad boy and blow it down. Call it in here. Big long ass force. Alright. Let's back this bad boy out of here so we can start spraying, man. Spray. Come up. Get a phone out of here. Watch on clearing. Ooh. It's freaking hot, boy. It is hot. Just gonna, all we doing is just moving this bad boy out of the way. Yep. Now we're good. Let's get it. man, we're pretty much finished. As y'all can see, it's officially laid down. This is the black, the single stage. Hit 2 coats with it and was done. Not bad, y'all, not bad. So that gives you an idea on how you would lay down some single stage. Now, it's got a slight gritty look to it just because the grit that we sanded it with, we hit it with the 220 grit. With the 220 grit, it's just more durable. It's gonna grab, the paint is gonna grab to the scratches, and the scratches is grabbing the paint. So we're not really too concerned about the quality as far as, you know, it being wet sanded and buffed and all that stuff. So yeah, definitely came out good. Great. That's how we're looking. Single stage it is. Do your ratio, it might be 8:2 to 1, whatever your ratio is. You'll have the paint, you'll have the reducer, and you'll have the hardener. Figure out what that mixing ratio is. Stir it up, shake it, whatever the case is, and lay that bad boy down. Hit your two or three coats, whatever, however many you want to hit it with, and then you're good to go.